Welcome back to Study Hat, and in today's video we're going to look at a few practice questions based on non-verbal reasoning, verbal reasoning and maths as part of the 11 plus exam prep. Within the description there's the link to the answers and they're freely available, so have a go and leave your answers in the comments and we'll see how you get on. So the first question we're going to look at is a verbal reasoning practice question. So can you insert the correct plural version of the word in brackets? And in the first example, she loves to play with her, and then the word in brackets is puppy. So feel free to pause the video and fill in the blanks. Post your answers in the comments for each of these 4 questions, and then come back and we'll get on to the next question. So the next set of questions, choose the correct homophone from the options in the bracket. And in the first example, we've got Brian, and then a blank, 3 cakes, and the options are 8, spelled A-T-E, and 8, spelled E-I-G-H-T, and you need to pick the right version. So pause the video again and put your answers in the comments, and then come back and we'll move on to the next question. So the next set of questions are non-verbal reasoning questions for the 11 plus. So which of these would best fit in the blank square? There's 4 options. Look closely, see what the pattern is. Pause the video, put your answers in the comments below, and then come back and we'll move on to the next question. So this question is similar to the last one. Which of these would best fit in the blank square? So again, pause the video, put your answers in the comments, and then come back and we'll try the next question. So, has the first shape reflected or rotated? So look very carefully at the pictures and then you need to fill in the blanks for each of these 3 questions. So put the answers in the comments below and come back to us once you're done. And so then we've got a maths practice question for the 11 plus. So, can you work out this money sum? Molly has saved £160 to buy herself a rabbit and bits she needs to care for the rabbit. She goes to the pet store with her mum. Can you work out from the list below how much Molly will need? And then we've got 6 items. A rabbit for £25, rabbit food for £13.58, a hutch for £70, a water bottle for £3, hay for £5, a feeding bowl for £3.50. So again, pause the video, comment below and come back. Well, that's it for today. If you have enjoyed, then please do like and subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you again soon.